Natural disasters, class 5th, chapter 12. Volcano. It is also natural disaster when it erupts. Eruption of volcano is natural disaster. A volcano is a mountain with an opening on its mouth and is connected to a pool of molten rocks present below the surface of the earth. These molten rocks are called magma. When the pressure of the gases and heat under the earth increases, the magma comprising gases and rocks rushes upward through a vertical tunnel called a vent and shoots out through an opening on the surface called the crater. The opening is called crater. The magma that reaches the earth's surface is called the lava. As the lava cools, it solidifies and forms rocks. Children, we have studied rocks and mineral chapter, and by the cooling of such lava, igneous rocks are formed. Igneous rocks, so these are formed by the cooling of volcanic eruption lava. Types of volcanoes based on kind of eruption. Volcanoes can be three types: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Active volcanoes. These volcanoes can erupt anytime as they remain active. For example, Mount Fuji, tallest mountain in Japan, and Mount Erebus. These are active volcanoes. They are dangerous because they can erupt at any times and always remain active. Second type is dormant volcanoes. These volcanoes have not erupted for several years but can erupt anytime. Means there is the chances of eruption, but for many years they have not erupted. Extinct volcanoes. These volcanoes are extinct and are not expected to erupt in future. For example, Judwal volcano in Netherlands is an extinct volcano. Effects of volcanic eruption. The various effects caused by a volcanic eruption, these are as follows. First one, release of hot gases and ashes with flow downstream. Mud flow to the areas that are downhill. Forest fires. And the fourth one is avalanches. Avalanches means the landslides in the mountain regions. Look the pic of cyclones and flood disaster. Next natural disaster is floods. Floods occur when the level of water in a river increases due to very heavy rains, melting of glaciers due to global warming, and landslides. The devastation caused by floods is immense. Prolonged periods of heavy rains in an area can result in a condition that is called flood. This is caused due to overflowing of rivers. Floods can also be caused due to strong winds in coastal areas that carry seawater to the land, or due to cracks in the walls of the dams. Cloudburst, they can also cause floods. Effects of flood. Floods cause loss of life and property. Severe water contaminations occur due to the damage of sewage disposal facilities, and death of humans and animals. Floods lead to soil erosion also. Floods cause water losing. Water losing means water retained at some place on the earth, and this can destroy the crops and other vegetation. Children, you are seeing the peak of the flood situations and the help that is provided by aeroplanes by dropping food packets and some other necessary things. Drought. The next natural disaster is drought. This is a condition that occurs when an area receives less or no rainfall for a long period. It could continue for many months or even for years. It is a natural event but can be triggered by human activities such as deforestation. Due to deforestation, rainfall also reduces. Indian agriculture is heavily dependent on rains, and the failure of the monsoons results in water shortage and low crop yields. Children, you are seeing a peak of drought condition. This is a dry period with rainfall below the average. The land become cracked and dry. Cyclone are fast moving, violent and destructive wind storms. Their force and speed cause heavy damage. A cyclone at sea brings huge volume of water to the coastal areas. The rushing sea water destroys everything that comes in its way. Cyclones are a great threat to the people living in coastal areas. When strong winds blow, causing a huge revolving storm, they are called cyclone. Cyclones begin as low pressure system in warm water, ocean water, as it achieves a wind speed of about 60 km an hour. It is known as tropical depression. A tropical depression becomes a tropical storm when it reaches more than 100 km an hour. Then it becomes a cyclone. Effects of cyclone. It can cause landslides and floods. It can displace trees, houses, and vehicles. It can cause loss of life because many buildings get collapsed due to cyclone. So cyclone is a disaster and it causes heavy loss of life and property.